Hello tech people, today I'm going to teach you how to set up a mikrotik Wi-Fi router. Here you see when you work on microphone when it works to see your interface. And this one will be disable mode, just enable on it and double click. Here you see mode station, it will be a mode and see SSID name. Here you can check out your SSID, it should be mikrotik. Should be mikrotik in here. Just going to change its name. I take it kick boy in here. Here you say security profile. Just go to mikrotik packages and interface and security in here. Double click on it. I just copy. Just names as security. Just changing in mode in dynamic keys. Just go through three type and type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 your router password. Wi-Fi router password. You can see if you see just type hide password and try hide too. Okay, so okay, and okay. Go to there and type security S. Okay, done. My router configuration. Wireless SSID configuration almost done. Now my router have no internet connections in here. Just check it. Ping 8.8.8. No internet connection. I connected my router here. This one my when port name it one, and this one my laptop connectivity where I connected through laptop from MAC address laptop and DOP laptop. This one my wireless just giving a IP TCP client just for my wireless router internet connections. When I now check my internet, here it is here my internet available in here. Just go through my another changing just set IP address for my Wi-Fi connection 172.16.16.0 and select an interface when okay done. Then go to check out my 5P firewall net connection. Change should be in source net and action masquerade. Okay, press OK. Then go to IP TCP client, TCP server. Sorry, TCP setup. Selected my WLAN one. Just go next. Just changing my DNS address 888 one. Next and next. Here you will see this one's showing you red because of one connecting your Wi-Fi router already. Just go to your wireless and check out here. No, I found the ITV wireless SSID. Just clicking connected. Just check out it. What something has already connected. My router already connected. Now go to TCP release IP here. Yes, you see I get this IP address, and if I check my wireless I getting this IP address. Okay, if I want to browsing something like my internet connections, type google.com. Yes, it's working. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more and more video. Thanks for watching.